Good morning, everyone. Okay, wait, let me just turn this. There we go. Yes, I got some stuff on my face. You know, I gotta get ready for the day. I do have to work today, but I'm gonna make sure everything is organized here so that way it's easy for Jacob to feed the kids, do whatever he's gotta do to watch them for me while I'm away. I'm using this SINIGANG. I actually adore this and I'm almost out of it. SINIGANG's pretty good. You know, I only use this for my face to kind of accentuate the look of, like, well, I'm tan anyway, but it's a really good product to kind of accentuate your face to look tan like that. I'm gonna do my brows. My brows usually take a little bit longer, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. I am going to cook some chicken for them as well if they wanted chicken. It's fried chicken. Okay, so I just changed into a shirt, a t-shirt. Yeah, a lot of times I don't often put makeup on because I like my face breathing. I want my face to breathe free from makeup and these products. But as I was saying, it's good for moms out there to kind of just feel confident and have the drive to do things. Just do something that would make you feel happy. And my lip is pretty chapped, as you can probably tell. Ew. And I'll probably put my contacts on a little bit later, not now, because it tends to, I have no idea where my eye drops are. My eyes tend to get dry and it sticks to my eyeball, so that's not good. Still need to take my antibiotics. I did take it around at 9 a.m. Here's the babies. Hey, are you in trouble? Are you in trouble? Yeah, he's in trouble because he opened the door and he walked outside all by himself. I'm like, whoa. Oh yeah, I'm just thawing my meat and watching a little tube. Okay, a little bit later today, I'm gonna make sinigang baka and some baboy. I don't have tamarind packet to flavor my broth, but that's totally okay. I'm gonna improvise into something else. Check out the mess. Okay, here it is. A cup of coffee. I just got done like cleaning everything on that side. Oh yeah, we still have. I couldn't find any small, what are these called, like filters. So what I do is I like to put it in half and then like a half moon. I do this right now. Half moon and cut it out about like an inch. And then I just place it right here. Okay, so just place it in the coffee machine here. There is this cup, but I'm not making it. It's like kind of this. It's a brew. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to like clean up the counter later, but that's how much coffee I still have in there. And then, so since I'm gonna be making sinigang today, I'm gonna be using my big pot that I'm talking about right here. And then I'm gonna fill it up with water. Ooh, init. So water is filling it up with water now. And then we can go ahead and put the meat and put it to boil, and then afterwards we're gonna add our veggies and whatnot. I'm really excited for sinigang because I haven't had it in so long. Guys, I haven't used my vlogging camera in quite a while because Jacob has been using it to stream BABOY+BAKA. Wala ko kung kaano ni sa dugay ng kampananon. Cause wala ang ingredients dire sa Montana, okay? So I have to improvise a lot. I'm gonna put this on the stove to boil up and then give it like maybe 2-3 hours. Wait, so sobrang bugat. Also, dili ko nakabalo. Sobrang dakuha ko kaldero, oh. Lights, camera, action. So, ang tawag sa pot, ang English, pot, ang Bisaya, Kaldero! Yay! Hey, ito si Jeremy. Gusto niya magdula sa gawas. It's too early. Say hi to everybody. Hi! Okay, well, this is for your ate. Jasmine rice. Bukas. And ito ko ang manok. Pritong manok. Mabalik ko kay sobrang gutom akong bata. Just getting a little impatient with me, so bye. This is a start. Okay, I'm gonna show you it's right here. Hi! Okay, I'm just gonna grab my cabbage right now. So here she is. I'm gonna cut this first. I will be scoring my sourdough bread and then I'm gonna put it in a very, very hot oven. Okay, now I'm just gonna put my Dutch oven in the oven. Preheat this and that way I can put my sourdough bread in here. I'm preheating my oven to 425, 425. So that way we can bake it as soon as possible. Okay. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna score it here. Few ice cubes. Really not on. For 20 minutes. Okay. It's gonna be ready. Some bread. Here's my cabbage. I'm gonna take the first 2 layers off.
I think I've got just the right number of flowers. All I need now is Max. Max! I want to see every beautiful little pet. There it is.
I'm actually gonna trim up. I'm gonna trim up some of my greens from outside. I know they're not like super huge, but you know, should I leave this? Oh, maybe cut off one. There, or 2. And there, that's it. Just like that. Okay, there you go. Little Sarge. It's extremely nice out. Me and Jeremy are just hanging out here. But I am kind of, well, I already did it, but I spruced up got rid of dead leaves and whatnot on my tomato. Because I don't want it. And come to find out, Bruce ate my tomato. So what I'm dealing with, as you can see, it's pretty sparse. I'm going to put it with tomatoes. Hopefully I can get down to Ace sometime this week to get my pepper plant back. My pepper plant, as you can see, dog kind of It's gone. Anyway, I just have one tomato left. Answer here. Gusto ka sa sinigang? Yeah. Mukhang paborito. Tell everybody I'm used to Filipino food, not American food. Oh. Oh. Ah. Ah. Hey, you can't eat the spoon. I literally just goggle. Check this out.